Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here. You're gonna learn about Map.get method, which returns a specified element from a map object. So what we're gonna do is first we need to remove all of them. What we're gonna do, create a var map1 equals new operator map an empty map. After that, what we're gonna do, use the map set method, map1 dot set, and pass bunch of string like bar, comma, foo, and then what we're gonna do, log it on a console, map1 dot get bar. So what's gonna happen is it will lead to take another element, so foo, because there's another element with that is foo. And now what we're gonna do is we will give an element which is not present in this map. So buzz, it will say undefined because it doesn't contain this. So this is what it is. So hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.